Yeah, I'm going to pick one. I'm ready. Let's do this one. This one. Yeah. Belle.
I can't be trifled with your antics when it's this cold outside.
Did she fart?
I just said it was too cold. I can't go out in the snow.
Too cold. Just ate one of her things. Does not make any sense. Why is she hopping out of the ground? Well, and she landed on her face. Oh God! What the heck? Oh, playing with the bell. And not that good. It doesn't look good on her. And not good either. Oh, that looks nice.
Hello, dear. Looking to get something for your
Okay, hi, Rarity.
pony? Well, whoever is bored, don't worry about it too much. As long as it comes from here, they will like it. Or wherever your heart is. Because that's what this holiday is all about. Giving from the heart. Where did she go?
Oh. Oh, Sweetie Belle. Oh, that's cute. Oh. Ew. Disgusting. And Fluffy. Oh. Too down from Fluffy. Oh. Why is she doing that? Oh. Is that her and Pony version? I hope I get to see her entire body, not just her fluffiness. Huh? Huh? Is it Chrysalis? It is. That's not a nice one. Castle. Oh, now that's a castle. Oh. Oh, what are you thinking? Oh, there she is. Oh. Saying hi. No. Oh. She said thank you, if you want to know. Now she's coloring. Oh, that's adorable. Oh, what? Oh no, there's more. Okay. What? Oh, I already watched that one. Let's go to the end. Yeah. No. I want that. Okay. That's all for this time. I'll see you later. Bye!